Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn on data saver in Samsung. So if you want to enable data saver on your Samsung Galaxy phone, but don't know how to go about it, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to turn on or enable data saver on your Samsung Galaxy phone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the settings app. On the settings page, scroll down and click on connections. Now on the connections page, scroll down and locate data usage. And then under data usage, locate and click on data saver. Once you click on data saver, you should see data saver help cut down your data usage by preventing apps from using data in the background. While turned on, the data saver icon will be shown in the status bar. Now turn it on now, and then you are good to go. So that is all you need to do to turn on or turn off data saver on your phone. However, to see application that use data, just click on app that always use data, and then with the data saver turned on, all this application background activity will be disabled, and then you're good to go. So that is basically how to turn on data saver in Samsung. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.